If you're still browsing without a VPN in 2024, you're leaving your personal data wide open. From your browsing habits to passwords and payment info, everything is trackable. That's why more people than ever are switching to NordVPN. NordVPN hides your IP address and encrypts your internet traffic, so your online activity becomes invisible to ISPs, yet hackers, or any third-party trackers. Whether you're shopping, banking, or streaming, your data is locked down. And unlike many free VPNs, NordVPN has a strict no-logs policy verified by independent audits. This means they don't collect, store, or sell any of your data. Your privacy stays your business. It also blocks annoying ads, phishing websites, and malware through its threat protection feature. Making it more than just a VPN, it's a full security suite built into one app. So, if you value your digital privacy and want to take back control of your online life, join NordVPN for free today. Check the description and secure your connection in just a couple of clicks.